Woodworking has always interested me. People always ask me why I spend so much time on it. For once, I'll give you a legitimate answer. When I was 6 years old, my father taught me how to use a saw. Granted, I didn't have the strength to cut with it, but I got the concept. Ever since then, I always had an interest in how things worked. Over time, as I learned the basics of woodworking, I began to make things that I had a specific use for. As I got better and better, I decided that I might actually have a talent for something. While I do actually have other talents, woodworking is something that really matters to me. Making something of your own is not only fun, but it has a certain satisfaction that comes with it. It's not only because I happen to be good at it, but that I truly enjoy it. In the past few years, I have explored a wide range of material processes. After trying my hands at blacksmithing, sheet metal shaping, wood carving, routing, and many other similar processes, I decided that I enjoyed turning wood on a lathe the most. Lathe turning, as the name would suggest, is the use of a lathe to spin wood at high speeds. While said wood is spinning, you can use a large variety of tooling to cut the wood into symmetrical shapes. This is how table legs, bowls, handles, and in my case, pens can be made. While turning on a lathe, it's very important to be careful. One small mistake and you could send wood flying in every direction. On the other hand, in the hands of a focused craftsman, good tooling and precision movements can produce amazing detail. The focus required to make something as small as a pen is also part of what makes it so fun. Getting into the mindset that lets you think of what the reaction will be to your movements lets you shape the wood into whatever you want. The only limitation is how you need the pen to be usable. However, it's more than just the freedom to do what you want that makes pen making so fun. Seeing the wood change and form a shape that you thought of is just plain cool. In a way, it's a lot like writing a book. In this case, instead of writing a story that's on my mind, I give it a shape that can be appreciated by those who read it, so to speak. Despite all the fun that can be had, woodworking isn't something that you just start one day. It took me years of practice and lessons to multiply my skill into what it is now. I owe a lot to the people who introduced it to me. Similarly to the way that I have learned to shape wood, woodworking has helped shape me into who I am. It has changed the way that I see the world, and for the better, I might add. I can say with confidence that woodworking truly matters to me.